Can you name all the colors before this duck does? Come on, she's faster than you think. Daisy Duck's color parade. Daisy Duck wakes with the sun. Let's learn colors, it's so much fun. She flaps her wings, a joyful cheer. Kids, come close and stand right here. Look at the sky, it's bright and blue. A-E, same as the water I'm swimming through. She dives and splashes with a quack. Blue drops dance right down her back. She spots a flower, sunny and yellow, I know. Waves hello to a buzzing fellow. Yellow's happy, warm and bright, like the stars that shine at night. A juicy apple, shiny red, just like my soft little nest bed. She takes a peck, then gives a grin. Red's the start, now let's begin. Under the tree, the grass is green. Sapphire, the prettiest shade I've ever seen. She waddles round with gentle grace and smiles in nature's green embrace. Last comes the rainbow, high above, full of colors we all love. Every shade is here to see. Come learn them all with me. Yippee! Daisy Duck knows bright colors run side by side. With a quack and happy clack, she takes a rainbow-colored nap. Last comes the rainbow, high above, full of colors we all love. Every shade is here to see. Come learn them all with me.